Massage therapy is about so much more than, just candles and spa music. My name is Beth, and my company is Cantata Wellness. So let's bust a few myths today. The first one is that massage is just for relaxation. It's really not, it can be, but it also supports recovery, mobility, and pain management. The next one is that massage is a luxury and only for wealthy people. Um, Massage should be part of everyone's um, healthcare routine and their wellness program. Number three, that all massage is just about deep tissue. There are dozens of modalities, and pressure is only one part of it. I think for a long time, people really thought that the only good massage was a deep massage, but some deep tissue actually can be damaging to your body. Next, that massage can detox the body. This is one of the ones that's a pet peeve of mine. Um, we don't have a lot of toxins running around our body, really. Our organs do any detox that we need, but what massage does do is enhance circulation and relaxation, and both of those qualities can actually help your body work better. Your organs do a more efficient job. And finally, that anyone can do massage therapy without training. Licensed massage therapists in the United States go through a rigorous training in anatomy, in physiology, in ethics. We even have a business semester. So, you want to see a skilled and trained massage therapist for your massage. Massage is an evidence based profession. And the more people that understand that, the better we can serve our communities. If you are interested in becoming a massage therapist and being a part of this evolution in massage therapy, come see us at cantatowellness.com. We look forward to hearing from you, and we'd really appreciate likes and subscribes. Y'all have a great day.